Start with a slip knot and chain 96 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 4 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, make the turning chain, chain 2, insert a hook into the first chain stitch which you made, this one, and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert a hook into the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. With this method you'll have straight edges. Next one double crochet is already made. Now make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. This one, 1 and 2. That's total 3 double crochets into the first stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make 1 single crochet and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this until the end. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch 1 single crochet and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. One, two, three. Skip 3, 1 single crochet, 3 double crochets, one single crochet, 3 double crochets, this is how they look. At the end you'll have 4 stitches left. Skip the 3 stitches and in the last stitch make 1 single crochet. This is the last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert a hook into the first chain stitch and pull up a loop, turn your work, insert a hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next one double crochet is already made. Now make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. That's total 3 double crochets in the first stitch. Now we'll be working only into the single crochets from the previous round. Skip this 3 double crochets and this is a single crochet. We'll repeat the same pattern. 1 single crochet and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. We'll be working only into the single crochets. One single crochet and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Skip the stitches. This is the next single crochet. This is how it will look. Now continue with the stitches. And once you reach the end, make one single crochet into the last stitch. This is the last stitch. One single crochet. Now make the turning chain. Chain 2. Insert hook into the first chain and pull up a loop. Turn your work. Insert hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. That's a turning chain made and one double crochet made. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. One double crochet is already made. Make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. You'll be working only into the single crochets. Work the bunch of stitches over here. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.